Hello everyone, welcome to Java tutorials. This is chapter number 5 in Java. The topic that we are going to cover in today's class is basic data types in Java. Variables are nothing but reserved memory locations to store values. This means that when you create a variable, you reserve some space in the memory. Based on the data type of a variable, the operating system allocates memory and decides what can be stored in the reserved memory. Therefore, by assigning different data types to variables, you can store integers, decimals, or characters in these variables. There are two data types available in Java: primitive data types, reference or object data types. Primitive data types. There are 8 primitive data types supported by Java. Primitive data types are predefined by the language and named by a keyword. Let us now look into the 8 primitive data types in detail. Byte. Byte data type is an 8-bit signed 2's complement integer. Minimum value is 128 and the maximum value is 127. Default value is 0. Byte data type is used to save space in large arrays, mainly in place of integers, since a byte is 4 times smaller than an integer. For example, byte A equal to 100, byte B equal to -50. Second data type, short. Short data type is a 16-bit signed 2's complement integer. Minimum value is -32, 768. Maximum value is 32 to 767. Short data type can also be used to save memory as byte data type. A short is 2 times smaller than an integer. The default value is 0. Some of the examples: short space s equals 10,000, short space r equals -20,000. Data type int. Int data type is a 32-bit signed 2's complement integer. Minimum value is -2147 to 483,648, and the maximum value could be between 2147 to 483,647. Integer is generally used as the default data type for integral values unless there is a concern about memory. The default value is 0. An example is int a equal to 10,000. Data type long. Long data type is a 64-bit signed 2's complement integer. Minimum value is -9223372036 and the maximum value could be somewhere between 854775808. Maximum value is 9223372036854775. This type is used when a wider range than int is needed. The default value is 0L, and example could be long a equals 100,000 L. The next type is float. Float data type is a single precision 32-bit IEEE 754 floating point. Float is mainly used to save memory in large arrays of floating point numbers. The default value is 0.0f. The float data type is never used for precise values such as currency. Example, float f1 equals 234.5 f. The next data type is double. Double data type is a double precision 64-bit IEEE 754 floating point. This data type is generally used as the default data type for decimal values, generally the default choice. Double data type should never be used for precise values such as currency. The default value is 0.0D. An example could be double D1 equals 123.4. And the next data type is Boolean. Boolean data types represents one bit of information. There are only two possible values, true or false. This data type is used for simple flags that track true or false conditions. Default value is false. Example, boolean 1 equals true. Char. Char data type is a single 16-bit Unicode character. The minimum value is /U000 or 0, and the maximum value UFFFF. Character data type is used to store any character. For example, character letter A equals A. Reference data types. Reference variables are created using defined constructors of the class. They are used to access objects. These variables are declared to be of a specific type that cannot be changed. For example, employee, puppy, etc. Class objects and various type of arrays variables come under reference data type. Default value of any reference variable is null. A reference variable can be used to refer any object of the declared type or any compatible type. For example, animal equals new animal giraffe. Java literals. A literal is a source code representation of a fixed value. They are represented directly in the code without any computation. Literals can be assigned to any primitive type variable. For example, byte A equals 68, char A equals A. Byte int long and short can be expressed in decimals base 10, hexadecimals base 16, or octal base 8 number systems as well. Prefix 0 is used to indicate octal, and prefix 0x indicates hexadecimal when using these number systems for literals. For example, int decimal 100, int octal 0144, int hexa 0x64. String literals in Java are specified like they are in most other languages by enclosing a sequence of string characters between a pair of double quotes. Examples of strings literals are hello world, 2 lines, this in quotes, etc. String and character types are literals can contain any Unicode characters. For example, char A /U001, string A /0UU1. Java language supports few special escape sequences for string and character literals as well. They are the notations /n, which means new line, /r carriage return, /f form feed, /b as backspace, /s as a space, /d tab, /quotes double quote, /single quote, double slash backslash, /ddd octa character, /uxx hexadecimal Unicode character. Well, that's it for the tutorial. We hope you enjoyed the tutorial in Java. We'll get back with more tutorials. Have a great day.